Now it's recording. Where are we, Dan?
W.
We're at the
look,
W.
when I have a backyard, I'm gonna do this to it.
The lights overhead? It's pretty cool. So we are currently at the W Hotel. I felt like I had to whip out my vlog camera. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm doing something cool tonight, guys. So we're here because we actually have a meeting to go into at the restaurant here. We've eaten here before, and it's really, really yummy. I'm not gonna lie, really expensive and slightly overpriced, but really, really yummy. So yeah, it's really pretty. To those of you who haven't been here, this is what it all looks like the lobby area. Really cool. I feel like we come here like a fair amount. We were here for an Oscars party. I just feel like we tend to have like meetings and stuff down here quite a bit. This is the outside area. Super cool. So that's kind of it. We're gonna go inside and get our seat. Funny fact. Oh wait, no, never mind. I'm not gonna say a funny fact because I was about to say something I shouldn't say. So I will see you guys later. Also, look at the spa water. I love this about nice fancy places, getting spa water. Where are you going, Dan? You going pee? Yeah. Okay, I should go pee too. See you guys later. There's Cami, just being a schmuck like usual.
Being a what?
A schmuck. Have you ever heard that word?
Yeah, isn't that like...
Insulting?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an insulting word. It means you're being like a lazy, like, good job, you lazy hobo. Really? That's what that means. I think. Tell me if that's not what that means, although she is going to look that up right now. Well, okay. Cami is currently looking up the definition of schmuck.
The foolish person.
You schmuck! You are such a schmuck. Sorry, Cami. I take it back. People think I only ever criticize you, I think, by now. But that's not true. Who gives you a ton of compliments about how pretty you are and how stylish you are? And there's... Who else? Who else gives you tons of compliments?
Okay, you.
Okay, you. I compliment her. I'm always like, dude, your butt is so cute. It's so full. She's like,
give me like 2 more months.
2 more months to what? Get your butt even bigger?
To get me Instagram famous on my butt.
Oh, we can start.
I'm gonna be like the next Jen.
Yeah, we'll just start taking pictures just from like your waist to the bottom of your butt.
People will love it.
They actually would love that, I think, to be totally honest. And I think you'll attract the right kind of boys that way by just putting your butt on display.
Wife me up.
Yes, just butt, just the butt time. Oh, poor Cami, I feel bad. No, I don't feel that bad, but feeling very spicy right now because it's the witching hour. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. I'm trying to get these videos up. The moment of truth is happening very soon, guys, because my music video is about to be exported. But I'm trying to fill out the info box for my April favorites, but it's literally been uploading since 9 a.m. this morning. So it's uploaded now, supposedly, and it says it's processing. So I don't know if that's true or not. I'm trying, and then I'm still got to get my music video exported and up. So I'm trying to do this, and I should probably focus, but I think I need a peanut butter cup to do that.
Peanut butter.
Do you want a peanut butter cup, Cami? That's kind of me, right?
I stole some of your pretzels because I was really hungry and I still haven't eaten lunch.
What?
Yeah.
That's a bigger what?
I've been busy.
Working. You've been working with an E. Okay, well, you can go eat your lunch now.
I know. I just feel like, should I just push through 1 more hour? Or I hate eating sometimes. It's like,
no, I know, me too. I'm like, I just want to finish and then be done. Why do I have to eat right now? I feel ya. I get that way a lot. But for the record, I would like my employee to eat. So I'm not trying to starve her. I just have to say that. And then when the camera's off, I'll be like, you're not allowed to eat. Get back to work. And then I'll throw the computer.
At my head.
Yeah. No, jokes on jokes. You're amazing, Cami.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So...
You're like saying you're welcome like mid thank you.
Thank you, welcome. So bad. Okay, so I really am going to do this now, and I really am going to get a peanut butter cup and yeah, get my video up. Okay, I'll see you soon. Don't worry, guys. Tonight is so different than every other night of the week. Home house. Okay, by the way, we need to take them to WALK after I wash my hair. We can't get tired because we really should do that. So, hi guys. So, I'm feeling pretty good right now. It's funny because I feel like biggest lesson why you shouldn't make decisions just based on emotions. Hold on, I'll show you Zoe and then I'll say why. Hi, Zoe. Hello. No, don't. You're going to give her shaken Yorkie syndrome. Biggest lesson, anyways, as to why you shouldn't make massive decisions off of emotions. Because I just said to Dan, it's amazing how in one day, at least I can feel like a slew of emotions. I can go from like feeling really angry to feeling like excited to feeling like sad about myself to feeling really good. Point being, I was feeling a little off earlier, a little bit like bad about myself and nervous about this music video to go up. And the music video went up about 2.5 hours ago, something like that. 2 hours and 20 minutes because it went live at exactly 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I am so happy with like just all of it. Just you guys, your responses have just been so kind and so nice. And I'm just like, I'm excited and really floored. And it's really like when it comes to all this music stuff, it's really overwhelming to see like how just nice you guys are. So I'm doing pretty good right now. And now I'm about to go take a shower because I gotta wash his hair.
Stink off.
I said hair.
No, dude, you actually smell
Smell like
so
a
good
queen?
right now.
Do I smell like a queen? It's because I sprayed Juicy Couture on the back of my neck. So there's that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you haven't seen the music video, it's over on my other channel, Pausin. And I'm gonna go take a shower now. So woot woot woot. Ooh, also I just found out tonight that I'm gonna be doing a collab video with Meg DeAngelis. I was gonna call her Megs because of her Twitter. That's what her Twitter, you wouldn't know that. You would have, I'm like, right? You know, Megs. So we're filming on Friday and Alicia, or MacBaby11, is gonna be with us too. So that's gonna be super fun. And I just noticed my sister threw away these flowers, but kept the little purple vase. So put that in the sink. Also, after our WALK, and we hang out because I'm gonna take a shower, I gotta watch some Gossip Girl. Dan, I gotta watch Gossip Girl. I'm only 2 episodes into the 2nd season, Zot. What's gonna happen to Serena? What is Blair going to do? Life is getting so complicated for Blair.
I'm so sad that South Park isn't running right now. It seems like their season is too short.
Really? Does it? Does it seem like it's too short, Zoe? You're so cute. Your hair doesn't look cute though, perked back like that. You gotta be like, here, mommy will style you how she likes it. Mommy likes it when your hair's like this. Like a huge, floofy teddy bear, huh, Zoe?
Nowhere. You're going.
Okay, whoa! I almost dropped you guys. I'm really sorry, by the way, to everyone who claims they get motion sickness watching my vlogs. Guys, I don't even know how to explain. I've like really tried to work on this problem, but it seems like according to the comments, like it's not getting any better. Like I'm not making anyone feel any less motion sickness. So to all of you that are motion sick, I'm really sorry because that sucks. But apparently I have like the shakiest arms on the planet Earth. So I apologize to all of you. Bowser doesn't though. Bowser does what he wants.
He doesn't care.
He has an attitude problem. You and your own. No, you're gonna give him shaken bully syndrome. You look so big. He looks way bigger on camera than he is.
He's a big boy.
Although, actually, I don't think that's true because people, when they meet the dogs in real life, they say that Zoe is way smaller than they thought and that he is way bigger. Which is funny because I think they come off the opposite. Everyone has asked in the comments a lot how big she is. She is a little under 3.5 pounds. And last time we checked, Bowser was what? Wasn't he like
50 pounds?
I was just going to say that, like 50 pounds. So, but I feel like his bulk is in his muscle. He's not a very like tall dog. He's actually a very short dog.
We call him peg legs.
Little peg legs. Little baby peg legs. You look so funny from all kinds of angles.
I have a question.
What's your question,
Call
Bowser?
on me, please.
I called on Bowser. Go. What's your question?
Can I have a shower?
You will not have a shower because you're going to get a WALK and you'll just get dirty and run through bushes anyways. Like the dirty little boy. I was gonna say we should take him on a walk now and then shower, but I really gotta go wash my hair and let my hair start drying.
Let's go.
That's a weird fact about my hair. I can't go to sleep on wet hair because it won't dry overnight, and then I'll wake up and literally I've never seen anyone else's hair do what my hair does if I sleep on wet hair. I wake up and my hair's all like, yay! And then the back is literally like I'm not being dramatic like girls that are like, oh my gosh, my hair just goes, and you're like, it really doesn't go. Dan, does it literally not kink? And it sticks straight out. But it sticks straight out in like weird directions. It kinks, it goes, brr, 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 brr. Like it just goes, it's like a curl that got messed up DNA that didn't curl. It's like, oh, I'm trying to curl, but I can't. It's so, I mean, every hairstylist I've ever had has said that, so I'm not even being dramatic. They're like, I had no idea how weird your hair is and how thick it is. I'm like, I told you that, but no one believes me till I start doing my hair. It's weird. So, you stop wagging that tail. That's not allowed.
Zoe, stop spreading fecal matter all over my
Oh, no, Zoe, all that fecal matter. Oh, baby. Jeez, it's so pretty. We have so many Christmas lights. Dude, lighting is what, like, I have to do at night once the sun starts going down to feel comfortable again. Like, the sun starts to go down, and then I'm like, all right, it's time. I actually had the fireplace on, but I turned it off because it's heated by gas, and our shower is heated by gas, and I know I'm about to get in, but I turn on the fireplace, I open the windows, I turn the lights in the patio on, I turn the lights in the window on, I light candles, I turn the freaking tree lights on, the lights in the bathroom, and that's what feels like, okay, now it's nighttime. Otherwise, nighttime feels depressing. It's like, it's nighttime. Great. But if I make it like a little like Twinkle Wonderland, it doesn't feel depressing when it's nighttime. It feels like, ooh, it's time for Twinkle Wonderland. So, okay, I'm gonna stop blabbering now, and I really am gonna go take a shower. So I'll see you guys later.